was putting together a system that can be more efficient. I made this. I've been furnishing my patent with creative ideas, and this is one of what I did. The purpose of this thing is to conserve energy, just like a battery, and use a motor which is as well used as a generator to make it keep running. And the concept is very intriguing because the motor runs short with pulses, and it also runs as a generator in pulses, which works to power a pump. But initially I just wanted to drive it through the water and would use this pump. This one would be going at 50 volts, and I still incorporate the older version of this. So assuming I have like 1000 RPM in this, then this would be in 6000 RPM. Trying to think about the back EMF and how a DC motor can become a generator while running. I've been trying to investigate the whole concept of how I can improve the performance of a DC motor. For instance, I have a DC motor here attached to a flywheel, this which is a pulley, and I've got this battery which will drive this primary circuit, just the basic pulse width modulation system, and there's now the switch through the tank power module, the tank which is the capacitor at 63 volts 10,000 IUF, and now I'll be checking the voltage which is 50 volts coming from another source through this. Now I want to power it on. This is a power source, power supply, 50 volts DC, which is to power this. This can run with a power source of up to 170 volts. It starts running. It runs fast. I don't want to make it run much faster because I've not counted it anywhere. So let me try and limit it at 0.4, 0.5 volts. As you can see, you've got the motor spinning, and you've got some energy that you collect. Another circuit doesn't sound like it's very noisy, because you can silence it by making this the frequency a little bit higher. I'll keep you updated, and let me continue on. I've been trying to do the balancing to this wheel because the balancing ensures that there is very little vibration as far as the motion at high speed is concerned, and owing in mind that this thing will run at 7000 rpm. If we intend to run this motor at 1000 rpm, then you can tell that this thing will definitely have to be very much balanced. And so this is what I've exactly done. So you can see it's running, it's spinning. As you can see, there are some weights on bolts, some retro pieces of metal which I've weighed and tried to put in specific places to counterbalance what I wanted.